How to mute the Amazon app on your iPhone or any smartphone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can mute the Amazon app on your smartphone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is just open up your settings. Head over to your settings and just scroll down till you find the notification settings. Now this is available in settings of every smartphone, so simply search for your notification settings. After you're on your notification settings, simply scroll down and there you should find different apps and the notifications. Tap on it and there you should see different options such as these right here. So all you gotta do to mute the Amazon app's notification is you'll need to just turn off the notification. Now if you still want the notification but no sounds, just make sure that you've turned off these sounds and badges for the notifications. After doing that, now you will get silent notifications, or you can just turn it off completely as well. And it's that simple guys. That is how you can mute Amazon apps notification on your smartphone. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.